Okay, welcome to part 2. We're in Schenectady, New York at an air museum. Gonna see an assortment of aircraft. But first, let's look at this M42A1 Duster. I think this is called a Huey. Here's an A6. Okay, this is an S2 tracker. It's an anti-submarine aircraft. Little disclaimer here. If you were hoping for expert analysis of these planes, well, this might leave you disappointed. I'm just here to look, and yeah. This is a T2 for about 40 years, apparently. Just about every Navy pilot trained on one of these. Here's an F-84 Thunderstreak. This is an F-101 Voodoo. And apparently it's a very fast plane, but not very maneuverable. Here's an F-4 Phantom. All right, here's the only plane that I was able to recognize without the sign. This is an A-10. I was always told these were anti-tank aircraft, and according to the sign, it's very slow, very durable, and can linger over a battlefield. I don't think it said anything about tanks, but anyways, these used to fly over where we lived all the time. Here's an A4 Skyhawk. This is an F-105. Look at the teeth on the front. It's very fierce looking. All right, here's a couple of MiGs. These are short-range fighters. I was going to say that they're Russian, but actually these belong to the Polish Air Force. This is a MiG-21, one of the most successful fighters of all time, according to the sign. And this is an F-5 Tiger. Pretty sleek. I guess like most fighter jets tend to be. Kind of reminds me of a race car. Of course, I think this jet could probably beat a race car in a race. This is an active airport, obviously. It's interesting to read some of these things. By the way, this is an RA-5C, Vigilante, it's called. A carrier-based heavy attack bomber. And the sign says it performed spectacularly. Not my words, that's what the sign said. Pneumatic starter. Beware of blast. That seems pretty important. Remove before turn-up. Oh, NASA. This must be from a space rocket. Here's an A7. This is a supermarine scimitar, is that how you pronounce it? It's a British aircraft. Sign says it's powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Avon turbojets. It's a popular jet with pilots, but suffered a high accident rate and was phased out. Black Widow. Let's read some of these things. A lot of technical jargon, basically things I don't understand. It's cool how the wings fold up. Remove before flight. Let's look at this British one some more. Keep well away from intakes while engines are running. That sounds like a word to the wise. Well, I hope you've enjoyed looking around with me. I desperately need to go get some lunch. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.